Hi guys, so in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok features missing problem. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to TikTok and now click here on this permissions option. Make sure that everything is enabled. Go back again and go to the data usage and make sure again that everything is enabled right here. Go back and now you have to do one thing. Go to the storage, click on clear cache, and now go to the home page. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for TikTok and click on this update option to update it into the latest version. After you do this, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.